Here's how to get started with the project using AI to generate the sitemap and the different pages and all the elements inside. So from whatever room I'm working on, I can click New Project. Now I can also go to the navigation panel over here and I can just click New Project. Just make sure you selected the right room and make sure that you're in the right workspace. In most cases, you're only going to belong to one workspace, but if you were invited to the project by somebody else, then make sure you're working either in your workspace if it's a personal project or a project that you're collaborating with other individuals, or inside of the workspace of whoever invited you. In most cases, that's what you're going to do. So just make sure you're inside of their workspace if they've invited you and you're collaborating with them, like it's a manager or somebody in your company who's invited you. Just make sure you're inside of their workspace when you create new projects if you want them to be able to have access to it and if you want to use all the features of their paid account. So once you're in their workspace, you can go to whatever room you're working inside of or create a new room. And then you're just going to either from the side panel here, you can just click here to open that up, or you can just click from the room here, click New Project. So I'm going to click Generate with AI. I'm going to give it a project name, and then I'm going to click Start. And now I can define this project. So let's say I'm building a website, fishes to find their way home after a long day at work. You can choose to add AI content to the pages, and generally we recommend only leaving the first page or even saying none. And then you're just gonna be able to go in, make sure your sitemap is good, and then add the text and images and everything in your layout. But if you're just in a rush, you can select a different option here, and then you're just going to do generate. So what this is going to do is this is going to generate your sitemap first of all, and if you've chosen the option, it will start generating immediately your pages as well. So here I am, I have my sitemap laid out. I can drag anything around that I want. I can change things. I can delete pages if I want. And once I'm ready, I'll go into the layout and I'll start actually laying out my page and creating my design. So check out our other help files to move forward, but that's how to get started with AI, creating your sitemap and starting to work on each individual page.